Hi, I'm Chase from chaseandmelia, and here on this channel, we believe that singers should learn to accompany themselves. For most of us, that means playing a guitar, but if you've ever tried it, it's not so easy to do while you're singing. Here's 5 tips on how to sing and play the guitar. Now, some of these are going to be carryovers from our How to Learn Chords Fast video, but tip number 1 is to simplify your strumming. If you're trying to do some sort of crazy strumming pattern while singing a song and you're not really too confident in either, both are going to be bad. So if you're trying to sing a song like Someone Like You by Adele, I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I only have to strum once and sing. It's not as complicated as you might think. Tip number 2 would be to practice and memorize your chord changes. With each song, there's a certain chord sequence. We call that a chord progression. And it pretty much stays the same the entire time, at least for a lot of songs. For instance, if my chords are G, D, E minor, C, I only practice those chords, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C. In that order, over and over again. If you're learning a new chord in a song, let's say one is B minor, and you're going there from the chord C, just practice those 2 chords. You've got C, you've got all the other chords in the song, it's just the transition from C to B minor. So practice from C to B minor. Tip number 3 is to practice the feel of a song. Listen to it and try to strum along, or at least try to make some sort of noise while you're on your guitar that matches the feel of the song. So if it's finger picking, okay, try to finger pick something. If it's strumming, try to strum it, but always try to match the feel. Once you internalize the feel, it'll be much easier to focus on chords and rhythms. Tip number 4 is to practice the singing separately. If you're trying to remember words and trying to remember melodies while you're trying to learn an instrument, it's going to be really, really difficult. So pull up a karaoke track, try to find something in the key that you're playing in and sing along with it. Try to memorize the words. Know when the chord changes happen. This will ultimately make it easier for you to focus on what you need to focus on in order to get your song across. Our 5th and final tip for you is to not stop. So once you start to sit down and try to play through the entire song, don't stop and practice moving through your mistakes. How many times have you heard somebody say, I'd love to play you a song? Oh, wait, sorry. Let me try it. Oh, dang it, sorry. Let me try it again. Just don't stop. Nobody cares. Get the wrong chord? Change chords, or don't, or sing the same chord, or have a wrong chord in there. No one's really going to notice or care. They might notice, but they're definitely not going to care. Well, I hope this video helped you, and I hope that these tips help you learn to sing and play the guitar. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We post new videos every week. I'm Chase from chaseandmelia. We'll see you soon. Looking for a guitar teacher? Look no further. I have a degree in music education, and I'd love to help you learn the guitar. Check out our website in the description box below.